Well, hey everybody, how's it going? As you can see here, it just got done snowing last night. So I decided I might as well go ahead and do a video of a snowy cold start of the 1994 Toyota Camry LE Edition. Be nice to say. It's not really much snow, I guess. It's more ice than snow. See here, ever since my dad's been driving to work, it's been 96,255 miles. Still starts with a charm. Pretty good. I'm going to get the defrost running. Got the radio working again. And we'll pop the hood. This didn't pop that good. I don't think I can hit too much. Oh. Sorry guys, I think the hood's frozen shut. Well, I guess that's what you expect out of a car that's been out here frozen all night. Got the rear defrost on as well as this defrost. We'll keep that running on high for a second and see if we can get a few quick revs out of it. Let's turn that down so you can hear it. I guess that'll be enough. Let's go and shut down. Pop the trunk and gas cap. It's almost frozen. The seat's probably all the way back and it still has some room. I'm not the tallest person around. Nope, not the tallest person around. hood might, I think this trunk here might be frozen straw too. Nope. Just can't get through it. It's too frozen. Let's knock it out, lock this key here. Yeah. I think a little bit sorry it's time to come down right now. Well, that's right. Shoot. Interior still looks the same. I solved the car. I hope you enjoyed this snowy cold start of the 1994 Toyota Camry. Too bad I couldn't show off the engine and everything. 2.2 liter DOHC, 4-cylinder. I believe it's a V6. Oh well, do another one later. Thanks for watching.